Opening a Dyson V7 Animal. This is the instruction booklet. This page is all the warnings. Just read and save these instructions. And then the instructions, so we'll get all the bits out first. Right, I've unwrapped all the pieces out of the box now. There's the accessories. There's the plug. That's the charger connector with instructions for the connector. I'm going to wire up the connector. I haven't put it on the wall yet, but I'm going to wire it up. Right. What I've done is put that end through the hole in the back there, which just clips in there like that. As you can see, it's going through the hole in the back. Feed the wire down there, just push the wire in, it clips in nice into there, and now that's ready for going on the wall. Right, now to connect it up, connect this. You got your long length, which is by there. Slide it in and click, and then you pick whatever connection you want on the end of it, like so. Is this that one? There we are. And there you have one Hoover connected. To change the attachment, just press the button, red button, and slide out as so, and push, put another connection in. If you want to shorten it and make a short one, pull that out, get another connection, and just slide it in. And that's opening and putting together a Dyson V7 Animal.